So welcome back guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Grimace in Brookhaven Roblox game. So if you want to know guys, watch the full video till the end, otherwise you will skip the most important part in between. So guys, before starting, one more thing I would like to say that if you are new on channel, please make sure you subscribe the channel and like and comment as well. So let's start. So if you want to make a Grimace, and this is a Grimace, and how can you make this character in Brookhaven? So you have to click on this avatar editor, and now let me reset to my original one. Now how can you make your Grimace? So you have to click on this option, and now you have to start entering the catalog ID. So first of all, the first ID to add eyes on the head is this 139169062001. This is the ID you have to enter to add these eyes on the head. So after adding the hoodie face, it will automatically adjust to the face, so it will suit that face, but as per this face it doesn't look good. So let's enter the second code, and that is second code is 13916929716. So this is the ID you have to enter, and it took my, right, let me go back, and it just unbelievable, I have to come out of this. So now let me go back. So once you enter this ID, and it will add the hoodie face like that, and it's like a big face. Now you have to enter one more code to add shirt, or yeah, so let's enter that code, and that is 138832111104. This is the ID you have to enter, and the shirt or t-shirt, whatever it is, will be added to your avatar. Now the last one to add pant, and that is just 139070463396. So this is the code you have to enter to add the pant to make a Grimace. Fine. So these are the things, or these are the codes ID you have to enter in avatar editor. Now you can play with this avatar in Brookhaven RP Home. So hope you like it guys, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. And if you want, let me, yes, that's better. Leave. Love it. So if you're new on channel, you can make sure subscribe to our channel, like the video. Till then, bye bye.